guys, good morning, or actually good afternoon. I'm so excited to share this birthday card with you. So what I used today was Kscraft Lover Store shaker wheelbarrow die, and didn't it turn out so cute? I just love this little shovel, and then the spade and the flowers and the wheelbarrow, and of course that cute little wheel. And then I just used one of my Julie Nutting stamps and layered it up and cut it out. And then I also used the Kscraft little sentiments that are really super cute. Nice little stickers right there. And this one says cultivate kindness. And then I used this little butterfly and then just added some antennas and then propped it up with some foam dots. So and I also did foam dots with this little shovel anyway, just to give it a little bit of you know, depth here. But anyway, and then on the inside you have your never too old to get down and dirty, a really cute gardening sentiment, and it says happy birthday. So I hope my sister loves this card, and I hope you all love it too. And part of it I will be describing all the pieces that I cut out for you, and then the rest is going to be a process video, and it's so easy to follow along with. I hope you all enjoy it, and I'll see you in just a second. Bye. Good morning, crafters. So my sister's birthday is in a few days, or actually it's Friday, but she might get this card a little late. Oops. Anyway, so here I am in my craft room today. I'm attempting to make 2 birthday cards, but the first one I'm going to make is going to be kind of like a spring garden themed card for her birthday. I thought that would be a lot of fun. So we're going to see how that turns out, but I am going to use the wheelbarrow. Hi guys, we're back. So let's go ahead and get started on the tutorial. So what I want to let you know is that I made this happy birthday in Adobe first, and then I put it into Cricut, okay? And I will go ahead and share that Cricut file with you, and I will put it in the comments below. So just give me a few minutes after I post the video. It takes me a few minutes to get those up there for you. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and glue these on here, and I think it turned out super cute. But anyway, hold on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Zig 2-way glue pen right here, and hopefully it's sticky. It looks like it's wet enough, so that's good. So I'm going to start off with the biggest piece first. It was really hard for it to look decent in Adobe as all one word, right? So I had to split the B and the I to make it look a little bit better, but I think it turned out pretty good. Go ahead and get on my glasses so I can make sure that this looks pretty even. Alrighty, and I'm actually going to use this to roll it over here, and I'm just going to put them a little bit next to each other. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, maybe not. Oops. Good thing that wasn't very sticky. Okay. Press that down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add a little dot there. And that looks perfect. Okay, so now I can go ahead and get started on putting the rest of my pieces together, and that is going to be in a process, you know, we're going to go to the process portion, but I did want to show you this first. So I also created this in Adobe, and then I went ahead and put it into Cricut. I created a draw file, okay? So that's what it's going to do. Hopefully it saves that way. You may be able to change it if you want to and cut it out. I just know that some of these really, really swirly or, you know, calligraphy letters, sometimes the Cricut has trouble cutting those out, so you might need to make a bigger card. That's just my thoughts on it. You could still do it, but the letters need to be bigger. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started on the process video. Hi guys, I'm so excited how this turned out. So this A2 card is just super precious. I used one of the Prima Doll stamps and then I layered some pattern paper on top of that and went ahead and filled her in with some markers, and then also we have the little shovel here, and I love this cute little wheelbarrow. It's just adorable, and then the flowers, and then the little spade, and then I actually got this butterfly from another collection and just added it on there with some foam dots and added a couple antennas on there, and then when you open it up you have you're never too old to get down and dirty. So I thought that was really super cute for a gardening type card, and then it says happy birthday. So I hope my sister loves it. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and don't forget to check out this die over at Kscraft Lover Store on Aliexpress, and if it is available on the Amazon, I will Amazon shop, I'll put that down below as well. If not right now, I'm sure it probably will be pretty soon. So, you know, that's up to you whether you want to wait 2 to 3 weeks from Ali, which really, it doesn't seem like that long. You know, at first I thought, oh my gosh, that's a long time, but it really isn't. I don't know, I might even add on one of these little sentiments. I didn't even think about that. That's too cute. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Don't forget that these are at the Kscraft Ali's Lover Store too. So have a great and fabulous day, guys. Bye.